Hello, I'm Nitin Raze. I'm a senior finance professional with 20 plus years of experience in various organizations in India as well as outside India. My area of interest includes cost management, performance management, risk management, control and compliance, internal audits, process development and process improvements, and of course, trainings and competency development. Cost is an area of interest for all of us. We need to go and spend to run our business. We have cost conversations almost every day. Cost impacts profitability. It has a direct impact. And that is why cost decisions need to be based on sound insights. They need to be wise decisions, isn't it? In my own career, I have been working on assignments which are related to cost management, profitability improvement, and there are a few learnings. These are all practical learnings. And I thought I should share those learnings with a wider audience. And that is why I have developed a short course which is titled Cost Optimization and Strategic Cost Management. This course is available through Rosefield Training Portal. If you are involved in cost decisions in any capacity, maybe you approve cost strategy, you give input to cost strategy, you are a budget holder, and then you approve expenses. Or you're part of a reporting team and hence you report cost, you analyze cost. Or you could be part of any other department where you need to incur costs, legitimate expenses. Then I think this course will be of value for you. It will provide you some new perspective which you can apply to your next cost decisions. What are we going to cover in this cost? We would try to understand why it is important to have a deep dive for your cost. Why you need to understand your costs. What are the different drivers, different factors which impact your cost? How do you understand those cost impacts? And how do you understand those cost drivers? How do you interpret them? How do you see their interrelationship? Then we'll also look at two concepts of strategic cost management and traditional cost management. We all manage cost, but which approach we are following? Which is more logical and sound approach? We'll try to understand that. Cost reduction. I think we all aim for cost reduction, but are we just going for an ad hoc reactive cost reduction, or is there a thinking behind your cost reduction? We'll look at a very powerful concept called strategic cost reduction, where you of course achieve your purpose of reducing cost, but at the same time you create long-term value. Because many times we reduce cost, you get some temporary benefits out of it, but then in the longer run we realize that we have really destroyed value by reducing the cost. Then how do we balance that? How do we achieve the purpose of reducing costs at the same time create value? So this concept of strategic cost reduction will help us to understand that. And of course then we'll also explore some short-term as well as long-term cost actions to optimize cost. And optimization includes reduction. Reduction is one part of whole cost optimization program. So these areas will provide you some insights on which are different actions which have been implemented by various organizations and which have been successful, of course. So overall, I'm sure this course will provide you some new perspective, some new thinking. You can always go back and reflect on different concepts, different methodologies, and try to apply to them in your own organization, your own scenarios. You'll get some value. If you need some more help, you can always connect back. As I mentioned, the course is titled Cost Optimization and Strategic Cost Management. This course is available on Rosefield Training Portal. I encourage you to go and explore Rosefield Training Portal. They are coming out with a lot of practical courses, a lot of practical trainings, which will be very useful for organizations. They'll be conducted by all the SMEs. They have worked in their organizations for a long time and they have a lot of perspective to share. So please explore. Happy learning. All the best.